Everyone, here I am, Sahil Verma from the Baga team, doing another open house today in the south side Millwoods area. Community is called Min Chow. Property address 3831 47th Street. We're located only 3 minutes away from Millwoods Town Center. We're pretty much in the heart of Millwood, so it's very accessible. Like as you can see around the neighborhood, this property is located on a quiet street in a quiet neighborhood with lots of trees and greenery. This is a single family bi-level built in 1981. It was priced at $469,800. We just reduced the price by $11,000. Now it's down to $358,800. In the front yard, as you can see, you have a lot of green space on both sides. It is a double garage attached bi-level home with a fully finished basement. The basement does have a separate entry as well. We'll showcase you this property like right away, so just follow me. So going through the front entrance, there's only a couple of steps till we get in. We all know how bi-level homes are. So like basically you only have 2 levels to the house. There is a few stairs up, and then you have your main floor, and also you have your basement. So the basement is accessible through the house as well. There is also a separate entry from the back. So there is a possibility of doing a future legal suite in there as well. This house does need some TLC. So seller is providing you a $5,000 renovation credit, which you can use to fix the carpet, paint, or kitchen, whatever you like. Right now we're in the living area where you have the bay windows. The window has been replaced. So there's in the corner TV mount. Right on the other side you have your gas fireplace with a nice brickwork around it. It is a pretty big size living area in here. You can actually do your dining table right here on this corner, and over there you can put your couch and all. Decent sized closet space. Forgot to show you actually the garage is actually attached to the property. The entrance comes to the inside of the house, which is right next to the front door on your left hand side. So that's the entrance to the garage. We do have 8 bedrooms and a 1.5 bath, along with the kitchen, living and dining area. So we'll show you the kitchen area first. So in the kitchen you do have linoleum here for the tiles, and on the right hand side you can see it's kind of like a U-shaped kitchen with black appliances. This home can be a perfect renovation project for somebody who is interested in buying a house, renovate it to live for themselves, or maybe flip it and make some money in the future. Going on to this side, we have our linen closet here. Just through the hallway on the right hand side, it's a master bedroom with the full ensuite. It's a very good size master bedroom, and in the master you only get a half a bathroom with the full closet. So on the back we'll show you the half bath as well. So just through here, it's very well kept, this house. I understand it does need a little bit work, but for somebody, if you can spend 10-15 grand, furnish it in your own way and then replace the carpet and all, this would be a perfect property for somebody who's looking for a bi-level in Millwoods area. So on the right here we have another full bathroom, 4-piece ensuite, beautiful colors like a blue and white. And we have two very decent size bedrooms, like with the closets, attached closets, and big huge windows, as you can see. Another great thing about this property, it sits on a 5,200 square feet lot. So your backyard is huge. You have ample space in the backyard for any private events or parties if you want to do with your friends or family. So this is your third bedroom here. It's nice to have like big windows in all the rooms. That way you always have tons of sunlight. So the front exposure of the property, it's actually a west facing, so you have a east backyard in this one. Going back to the main floor, so we'll just recap here on the main floor. So main floor has 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, kitchen, living and dining area. Property is built in 1981, priced at $358,800. Seller is giving you $5,000 renovation credit, and you can actually buy this property with a 10% down. Your monthly mortgage payment is only $1,450. So let's show you a basement. There is a possibility, like I said, you can do there is a side entrance already, and the basement is finished, but if you can fix it up, get the permits, put a legal suite in there, it can help you basically generate some rental income as well. So while we're at it, we'll show you outside. Have a look at the backyard. Lots of space. You can put your plants there or whatever you like. So this is the side door entrance to the basement. So like your tenants, if you were to rent it in the future with a legal suite, they can come from the side of the property and then come through here pretty much, and then this is the entrance to the basement level. So in your basement you have 7 feet ceiling height. This one does have 3 bedrooms, so one on the right side. As soon as you come down, this one is a little bit smaller size bedroom, but it does have a great, tons of light coming in, big huge window. So I see like just because the main floor, it is a bi-level, 1,264 square feet, so you almost have like 1,150 square feet of like space in the basement as well. So that is a pretty great size basement. Like right here is your living area kind of thing, which like in future you can put a kitchen like in the half of it, and then the other half you can keep it as a living area. So the Min Chow community is like it's located close to 50th Street and 38th Avenue. So the closest like elementary school here is the Min Chow. Junior high is Kate Chagwin, and also we have a J. Percy Page as well, which is like all the schools are in a close proximity, maximum like 5 to 7 minutes drive. Okay, on the right here in the basement we do have a full bathroom, 4-piece. You have a tub and a shower, and back there you have some storage space with a little bit crawl space under the stairs as well. Coming out this way, is your mechanical room. So you got a brand new furnace here, was recently replaced, as you can see from the condition of it. It does have a humidifier system as well. Also, we do have a brand new hot water tank as well. And your laundry is in the mechanical room with the sink here. So we have already seen one bedroom and a living area in the basement on the other side. So here's your second bedroom. Again, big huge window with the walk-in closet. Not too big of a walk-in closet, but you can actually walk into this closet. Just kidding. So coming on to the other side, just across from the hallway, that's your third bedroom right there. Again, all the rooms, they do have closet except the first one in the basement. Just through, like out from the room, like if you see at the end of the hallway, we do have our electrical panel, and there is a rough-in for the laundry system. There's a drain. You can actually put another set of laundry here, and you can always move the other one upstairs if you do decide to build it as a legal suite. So again, mechanical room, there's tons of room. Another furnace can go in here. So we'll just recap on the basement level of this property. On the basement level, you do have 3 bedrooms, a full bathroom, lots of storage space, mechanical room, and a big and huge sized living area. So this property again is 1981 built, located in Min Chow, 1264 square feet space upstairs and 1100 downstairs. So you're looking at about 3300 square feet of living space. With a 10% down, you can purchase this property, and your monthly mortgage payment is only $1,450, which is better than paying rent if you're renting right now. And again, it is a double garage attached, not detached. It is a bi-level, price at $358,800, and sellers are giving you $5,000 renovation credit. So please pick up your phone, give me a call if you want to book a showing on this property. My phone number is 780-938-4858. Again, this is Sahil with Manny Beggar team. Thank you so much for coming online and watching this video today.